Brake system warning light. What does it mean and how to fix it? The brake system warning light typically indicates one of the following two issues. 1. Parking brake is engaged. This light will illuminate if the parking brake, emergency brake, is engaged. It serves as a reminder to release the parking brake before driving. What to do? Check if the parking brake is engaged, and release it. Once released, the light should go off. If it doesn't, there might be a problem with the parking brake sensor or cable that requires inspection. 2. Low brake fluid level. The light also comes on if the brake fluid level is too low. Brake fluid is critical for the hydraulic brake system, and low levels can affect braking performance. What to do? Check the brake fluid level in the reservoir under the hood. If the fluid is low, top it off with the recommended brake fluid. If it continues to drop, there might be a leak in the brake system that needs immediate attention from a mechanic. Ignoring the brake warning light can be dangerous, as it can indicate a problem that could impair your braking ability. If you're unsure, it's always best to have a professional inspect the braking system. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.